Hey everyone, it's Fa from FaceWorld Media, and today I want to guide you through exactly how I use Vizard to transform my long-form content into viral-ready short clips. This video is the latest installment in my Learn AI with Me series, where I simplify powerful generative tools for busy creators who don't have a background in tech. Whether you are juggling webinars, podcasts, or long-form YouTube videos, Vizard is essentially a secret weapon for repurposing your hard work with minimal effort. So what exactly is Vizard, and why should you care about it today? In simple terms, it uses intelligent algorithms to scan your long videos, identifying the most engaging, high-energy moments that are perfect for social media. It's not just a basic clipping tool, it acts as a full-suite assistant that manages your content calendar and helps you polish clips without needing a heavy video editor. You might already be familiar with tools like Synthesia for avatars or Descript for transcript editing, which are fantastic in their own right. While those tools are brilliant for specific tasks, they aren't built to be a dedicated pipeline for turning raw, long-form footage into a stream of consistent short-form clips. Vizard sits in that perfect sweet spot by automating the selection and publishing process, allowing you to focus purely on the quality of your message. Alright, let's get into the practical side of things, starting with logging in and uploading your long-form video file. Whether it's a 60-minute interview, a webinar, or a recorded live stream, Vizard instantly begins analyzing the audio and the structure of your content. It pinpoints high-energy segments, punchy hooks, and natural transitions to provide you with a list of automatically generated, suggested clips. Once you pick a clip, you can preview it and use the drag and drop handles to tighten the in and out points for the perfect cut. One of my absolute favorite features is the auto-captioning tool, which lets you generate and edit subtitles instantly for better social media discoverability. After you lock in the clip, you can apply custom thumbnail frames, add punchy text overlays, and even adjust the aspect ratio for different social platforms. If you want that extra level of polish, you can easily add a short 1 to 2 second intro or outro bumper to keep the branding consistent. Next, let's discuss the auto-editing viral clips feature, which runs multiple passes to detect the best hook variations across your entire video. This is incredibly helpful for A/B testing, as you can cherry-pick the versions that you feel will resonate most with your audience. Now, for the part that really saves me hours of manual labor every week, the automated scheduling feature. Once your clips are ready, you can set a frequency, like 3 times a week or daily, and let the platform handle the publishing automatically. This is a total game changer for maintaining a consistent presence without having to spend your evenings uploading files one by one. Linked to that, the content calendar feels like having a personal team member who helps you manage and rearrange your publication dates with simple drag and drop actions. If you suddenly have an update or a piece of breaking news, you can swap things around instantly, replacing those chaotic spreadsheets and disorganized folders. Let's touch on editing nuance. While the tools are designed for speed, they aren't trying to replace heavy-duty editing software for complex VFX or transitions. Instead, Vizard is optimized for the 90% of social clips that just need a quick trim, a catchy hook, and clean captions to get you out the door. Another killer feature is multilingual repurposing, allowing you to reach new international audiences by translating transcripts and generating localized captions. This saves a massive amount of money and time that would otherwise be spent hiring translators and external editors to localize your content. When comparing pricing and pain points, Vizard is significantly more creator-friendly than many of the other complex enterprise tools currently on the market. It reduces tool sprawl by combining generation, scheduling, and calendar management into one unified, easy-to-use platform. Here is a quick walkthrough of my typical workflow. I upload a 90-minute webinar, select 10 clips, tweak the captions, and schedule them to drip feed over 2 weeks. This entire process used to take me several days of manual work, but now it is done in just a couple of hours. Exporting and sharing is straightforward, whether you want to save files to your local drive for backup or connect directly to your social media accounts for instant posting. If you prefer to hand off your content to a virtual assistant or a professional editor, you can also easily export batches of clips for them to review. I also want to highlight how Vizard handles brand consistency through saved templates for captions and styles, ensuring every clip looks professional every time. Finally, here are a few tips from my personal experience. Always keep a close eye on your hook placement, as the first 2 or 3 seconds are critical for retention. You should also batch process similar videos together, like webinars from the same series, to create weeks of content material in a single sitting. Lastly, always take a moment to export and proofread your captions because even though AI transcription is great, a human review makes a huge difference in CTR. If you are curious to try this out, I have linked a beginner's tutorial and my favorite workflow checklist in the description below. I have also put together a guide on how to integrate Vizard with your existing toolset, such as recording with OBS before repurposing. I would love to hear what types of videos you are currently trying to repurpose, so drop a comment below and I will share some tailored tips for your specific use case. If you found this helpful, I have included another short clip right here that shows exactly how I turn a 60-minute interview into 15 shorts in one single session. Thanks so much for watching all the way through, and don't forget to check the links in the description for that downloadable content calendar template. Quick side note, a few of you have asked about the artwork behind me, which is a collaboration with my mom, an artist, and we have prints available on our shop link. Alright, I will see you on the next video, and remember to go out there and make something people truly love.